Some the hidden waterfalls at Sumatra Utara. One of the biggest cities in Indonesia is Medan. In Medan, there are a wide variety of tribes and ethnic groups, including Chinese, Javanese, Batak, Minangkabau, and others. Medan is a city with many different cultures and a wide array of mouth-watering foods. You would undoubtedly feel that your trip is incomplete if you visit Medan solely for the cuisine. Medan is a city, yet there is a secret trek you can take. Here are the hidden waterfalls of North Sumatra province that you absolutely must visit. Rainbow Waterfall. This waterfall's location is in the North Sumatra province's Tanjung Timur village, Sinambat Tanjung Muda, STM, Hulu district, and Deli Serdang Regency. In close proximity to the well-known Lake Linding and Deli Serdang. This waterfall's splendor is comparable to Sipaso Piso waterfall in Cairo Regency in terms of attractiveness. This rainbow waterfall's crystal clear, pure water is its greatest draw. In addition, the surrounding area is gorgeous and is lined with tall, green trees. As a result, the air here is cold and fresh. It takes a little work and is really demanding to go to the Deli Serdang waterfall spot. Due to its position, the Rainbow Waterfall has routes with uphill and downhill gradients, steep twists, and some poor roadways. But the waterfall's magnificence will make the difficult journey worthwhile. It is possible to travel the road to this waterfall by leaving Medan. Once there, proceed to Sandpaper, Padambake, STM downstream, and Lake Linding. From Lake Linding, the trip will take about 2 hours and 30 minutes. Tourists will be greeted to a green view of the trees arranged neatly as they travel to the location of this waterfall. The rubber, coca, and palm oil that line the side of the road. Once there, visitors will use a stairway to descend to the waterfall. Tourists will enjoy the still beautiful, cool, and natural surroundings along the journey. Want to visit the Rainbow Waterfall tourist destination so that the environment is healthy and sustainable, so that it will continue to be comfortable to visit the tourist site. A waterfall in two colors. We may infer that this waterfall has two hues just from the name. This is due to the phosphorus and sulfur in this cascade. Consequently, there is a stunning color gradient. Another distinctive feature of this waterfall is that its temperature varies depending on the color of the water. It is frigid in blue water and warm in gray-white water. This waterfall attracts a lot of Chinese tourists because they believe it would bring them luck. The Two Colors Waterfall is situated in the North Sumatra province's Duren Siragan village, Sibalanga district, and Deli Serdang Regency. The waterfall, also known as Telaga Biru Waterfall, is a popular tourist attraction in the province of North Sumatra. Visitors that enjoy adventure should visit this location. Attractions with a two-color waterfall at a height of 1,475 meters above sea level. The Two Colors Waterfall has a height of 75 meters. The waterfall is situated at the base of Mount Sibayak. The water in the lake below is bright blue, while the waterfall that cascades down from the hillside is white. The presence of sulfur and phosphorus causes the color to appear. Visitors are cautioned against drinking the waterfall because of this. Aside from the color difference, there is also a temperature difference. The light blue waterfalls have chilly water temps, while the white waters are warmer. Sikalik Waterfalls. Sikalik Waterfall is situated in the Cairo Regency's Penatapan Dulu neighborhood. From the city of Medan, visitors must travel 53.7 kilometers, or 2 hours, to reach the destination. Visitors can purchase an entrance ticket for as little as Rp. 5,000 for pedestrians, Rp. 20,000 for motorcycles, and Rp. 60,000 for large vehicles, car. After arriving at the entrance, visitors must hike for 10 to 15 minutes to reach the waterfall's position. Sikalik Waterfall is a well-liked tourist site among city dwellers because to its convenient proximity and attractive, Instagrammable natural vistas. Visitors who appreciate camping can pitch their tents in exclusive spots with a lovely environment in addition to taking in the waterfall view. Sumatra Waterfalls. Due to the fact that the water originates in Binangalam village, Lumbanjulu district, Toba Samosir. Sumatra Waterfall is also known as Binangalam Waterfall. In the Toba Batak language, Lum or Lam literally translates to cooling water. This waterfall's remarkable feature is that it empties right into Lake Toba. According to the symbolism of the waterfall itself, you will experience complete exhaustion as well as coolness when you visit this location. Samparanpe Waterfall. The beauty and charm of water travel are inherent. Samparanpe Waterfall, which is located in Delhi Serdang, is a stunning waterfall. In Sibalanga district specifically, this popular tourist destination is frequently used as a camping location. Visitors can take in the stunning natural surroundings and the splash of stagnant air at his favorite location. The following describes the splendor that Delhi Serdang Samparanpe Waterfall has to offer. Trekking is required to reach Samparanpe Waterfall from the road. Your journey there will take you 15 minutes. Even while this waterfall still retains a lot of its natural beauty, it is no less stunning than other waterfalls in Indonesia. This waterfall in Samparan can rise 150 meters on its own. It is white. There are 7 layers to this waterfall of white Samparan. Although this waterfall includes sulfur, it is safe to swim in and take a bath under. You must travel through the route by Samparanpe Waterfall to reach it. Sipaso Waterfalls. Location in the North Sumatra province's Tungjung village, districts of Cairo. Sipaso Waterfall is the ideal location to unwind. Here, a waterfall plays its own organic melody in a really gorgeous green area. There is a tranquility on the lake that cannot be found in cities. There are stairs that are made of cement, and the journey to this waterfall is also excellent. However, it takes between 30 and 45 minutes to get from the parking lot to the waterfall. Sipiso Piso Waterfall in Sumatra, a tourist destination in BERSEPEDA in Lake Toba, Indonesia. Sipiso Piso is a waterfall in the Batak Highlands of Sumatra, Indonesia. Sipiso Piso Waterfall is one of the highest waterfalls in Indonesia with a height of 120 meters, and the flow of water forms a perfect vertical line that pours heavily. The word piso means knife, because if you look at this waterfall from a distance, it looks like a knife, small and long. This waterfall is located not far from Lake Toba with a position in the middle of hills and pine forests, which makes it look very beautiful.